Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In the last lecture, we had learned that change of scale property and some problem based on that. Now, today we will start the next topic, that is first shifting theorem. So, what is the first shifting theorem? If Laplace transform of the function f of t equal to phi of s or f of s, then Laplace transform of e raised to minus at f of t can be written as f of s plus a. If Laplace transform of the given function f of t equal to f of s, then Laplace transform of e raised to minus at f of t equal to f of s plus a. If here minus sign, then here will be plus. Let us see the corollary of this theorem. Corollary: if Laplace transform of f of t equal to f of s, then Laplace transform of e raised to at f of t equal to f of s minus a. Here, if coefficient of exponential function e raised to at is positive, then here will be negative. If here is negative, then here is positive. So this is the first shifting theorem and their corollary. Now we will have list of shifting formula. Number 1, Laplace transform of sin at equal to a upon s square plus a square. This implies that if you apply shifting formula, then Laplace transform of e raised to bt sin at can be written as a upon s minus b whole square plus a square. I am replacing s by s minus b. Here coefficient of exponential function is positive, so here will be negative. Similarly, Laplace transform of cos at equal to s upon s square plus a square. This implies that Laplace transform of e raised to bt cos at equal to s minus b, s replaced by s minus b, then s minus b whole square plus a square. Similarly, Laplace transform of hyperbolic sine function at equal to a upon s square minus a square. This implies that Laplace transform of e raised to bt hyperbolic sine at equal to a upon s minus b the whole square minus a square. And then next, Laplace transform of hyperbolic cosine function at is equal to s upon s square minus a square. This implies that Laplace transform of e raised to bt hyperbolic cosine function cos hyperbolic at equal to s replaced by s minus b divided by s minus b the whole square minus a square. And the next shifting formula, number 5, Laplace transform of t raised to n equal to n factorial divided by s raised to n plus 1 for n belong to positive integer. And this implies that Laplace transform of e raised to bt into t raised to n can be written as n factorial divided by s minus b raised to n plus 1. So this is the list of shifting formulae. Let us do the example based on this shifting formula. Example number 1. Example number 1. Find the Laplace transform of the function e raised to 2t cos 2t into cos t. We have to find out the Laplace transform of this function by using shifting theorem. So let us do the solution. We write here f of t as a cos 2t into cos t. So let f of t equal to cos 2t into cos t. Therefore, f of t can be written as 1 by 2 into 2 cos 2t into cos t. Here we will apply the formula of 2 cos a into cos b. So just apply the formula. So this equal to 1 by 2 cos a plus b plus cos a minus b. Why is this so? Because we are applying here formula 2 cos a into cos b. This can be written as cos a plus b minus plus cos a minus b. Because of this formula we write this. So this can be written as this equal to 1 by 2 cos 2t plus t, that is 3t, plus cos 2t minus t, that is t. See here, so this is the linear form of the function f of t, that is cos 2t into cos t. Now we can apply the Laplace transform into this function. So apply the Laplace transform on both sides. So Laplace transform of the function f of t can be written as 1 by 2 is a constant, taking outside Laplace transform of cos 3t plus cos t. Okay. Now apply the linearity property on both sides. Therefore, Laplace transform of the function f of t equal to 1 by 2 Laplace transform of cos 3t plus Laplace transform of cos t. Why this so? By linearity property. Okay. So this can be written as this equal to 1 by 2 Laplace transform of cos 3t is s upon s square plus 3 square, and plus Laplace transform of cos t is s upon s square plus 1 square. This equal to, let us say, the function s. So I am assuming this function equal to f of s. Now apply this first shifting theorem. Therefore, by first shifting theorem, applying the shifting theorem, therefore Laplace transform of e raised to 2t f of t can be written as Laplace transform of e raised to 2t cos 2t into cos t, and this equal to f of s minus 2. Why this so? Because here coefficient of exponential function is positive, so here will be negative. Now replacing s by s minus 2 in this function, so this equal to 1 by 2. I am replacing s by s minus 2, so s minus 2 divided by s minus 2 the whole square plus 3 square, and plus s replaced by s minus 2, so s minus 2 divided by s minus 2 the whole square plus 1 whole square. Now we can simplify this, so this equal to 1 upon 2 in bracket s minus 2, open the bracket, so s square minus 2 to the 4s and plus 4 and plus this 3 square, that is 9, and plus s minus 2 as it is, and open this bracket, s square minus 2 to the 4s plus 4 and plus 1. Now this equal to 1 upon 2 s minus 2 divided by s square minus 4s, 4 plus 9, that is 13, and plus s minus 2 divided by s square minus 4s and plus 5. Now this equal to s minus 2 and s minus 2 common on the numerator, so I am taking outside, so this is s minus 2 by 2, and this equal to 1 upon s square minus 4s plus 13 and plus 1 upon s square minus 4s plus 5. Now cross multiply, so cross multiply, this equal to s minus 2 by 2, so this become s square minus 4s plus 5, and cross multiplying this, so plus s square minus 4s plus 13 the whole divided by s square minus 4s plus 13 in bracket s square minus 4s plus 5. So this equal to s minus 2 by 2, so add them, s square plus s square, that is 2s square minus 4s minus 4s, that is 8s, and plus 13 and plus 5, 18, divided by s square minus 4s plus 13, then s square minus 4s plus 5. Now this equal to, here 2 is common in the numerator, so I am taking 2 as outside, so s minus 2 by 2 into 2 s square minus 4s plus 9 divided by s square minus 4s plus 13 into s square minus 4s plus 5. Now these two and these two cancel, so this equal to s minus 2 s square minus 4s plus 9 the whole divided by s square minus 4s plus 13 into s square minus 4s plus 5. So which is require Laplace transform of the given function e raised to 2t into cos 2t into cos t. Now let us do the another example. Example number 2. Example 2. Find the Laplace transform of Laplace transform of the function e raised to minus 2t hyperbolic cosine t into sin t. Okay. So here function f of t is hyperbolic cosine t into sin t. So solution, let f of t equal to hyperbolic cosine t into sin t. So this can be written as, therefore f of t equal to hyperbolic cosine is e raised to t plus e raised to minus t divided by 2. So hyperbolic cosine t can be written as this into sin t. Now multiply sin t inside the bracket. So this equal to e raised to t sin t plus e raised to minus t sin t divided by 1 by 2. Divided by 1 by 2. Okay. Now apply the Laplace transform on both sides. So applying Laplace transform on both sides. So Laplace transform of the function f of t equal to 1 by 2 is constant, I am taking outside, 1 by 2 Laplace transform of this bracket e raised to t sin t plus e raised to minus t sin t. Now apply linearity property and apply Laplace transform inside the bracket. So this equal to 1 by 2 Laplace transform of e raised to t sin t plus Laplace transform of e raised to minus t sin t. Why this so? Because of linearity property. So by linearity property, okay. So this equal to 1 upon 2 Laplace transform of sin t is what? 1 upon s square plus a square, but here exponential function, so this can be written as s minus 1 square plus 1 square and plus Laplace transform of this, here plus exponential function is plus, then we write here minus, if here exponential is minus then we write plus. So this equal to 1 upon s plus 1 the whole square plus 1 square. Why this so? Because since Laplace transform of sin at is equal to a upon s square plus a square. Okay. Now simplify this. This equal to 1 upon 2 in bracket 1 upon, open this bracket, s square minus 2s plus 1 and plus 1 and plus 1 upon, open this bracket, s square plus 2s plus 1 and plus 1. Now this can be written as 1 by 2 in bracket 1 upon s square minus 2s plus 2 and plus 1 upon second term s square plus 2s and plus 2, and now close the bracket, and this equal to, let us say, f of s. Okay. Now apply first shifting theorem. So by first shifting theorem, theorem. So this can be written as Laplace transform of e raised to minus 2t f of t equal to Laplace transform of e raised to minus 2t. F of t is what? Cos hyperbolic function t into sin t, and this equal to what? F of s. Here minus sign, exponential coefficient has minus sign, here will be plus. So this equal to f of s plus 2. So this equal to, now we are replacing on this function s by s plus 2. So this equal to 1 upon 2 in bracket 1 upon s plus 2 the whole square minus 2 s plus 2 and plus 2. This is the first term, plus apply the shifting theorem on second term also. So s replaced by s plus 2. So s plus 2 the whole square plus 2 s plus 2 and plus 2. Now close the bracket. Now we will simplify to the denominator. So this equal to 1 by 2 in bracket 1 upon, I am opening denominator, s square plus 2 to the 4 s plus 4 minus 2s, then minus 2 to the 4 and plus 2, then second term plus 1 upon, open this bracket, s square plus 4s and plus 4, then plus 2s plus 4 plus 2. Now simplify this. So this equal to 1 upon 2 in bracket 1 upon s square 4s minus 2s, that is plus 2s, then this 4 and minus 4 cancel, the remaining is plus 2 and plus 1 upon s square 4s plus 2s, that is plus 6s, and 4 plus 4, that is 8 plus 2, that is 10. So plus 10. Now close the bracket. So this equal to 1 upon 2. Now we will cross multiply. So s square plus 6s plus 10, and again we cross multiply by this term. So plus s square plus 2s plus 2 the whole divided by product of these two terms, s square plus 2s plus 2 into s square plus 6s plus 10. Now this equal to 1 upon 2 in bracket, add them. So s square plus s square, that is 2s square, and 6s plus 2s, that is 8s, and plus 10 plus 2, that is 12, and divide by denominator s square plus 2s plus 2 into s square plus 6s plus 10. See here, now 2 is common in the numerator, so taking 2 as a outside. So this equal to 1 by 2 into 2 s square plus 4s plus 6 divided by the denominator x square plus 2s plus 2 into s square plus 6s plus 10. Now this 2 and this 2 will cancel, so this become s square plus 4s plus 6 divided by the denominator s square plus 2s plus 2 into s square plus 6s plus 10. So which is the required Laplace transform of the given function e raised to minus 2t into cos hyperbolic t into sin t. See here, your answer will be this also, okay, but your final answer will be more simplified form, that is this one. So this is your final Laplace transform of the given function e raised to minus 2t into cos hyperbolic t into sin t. Okay, now let us do the another example for more understanding. Example number 3. Example 3. Find the Laplace transform of Laplace transform of the function e raised to 2t into 1 plus t the whole square. Okay, so solution for this, here function f of t is 1 plus t the whole square. So let f of t equal to 1 plus t the whole square. Okay, now I am opening the bracket, this bracket, so this is equal to 1 plus 2t plus t whole square. Now apply the Laplace transform on both sides. So applying Laplace transform on both sides, so Laplace transform of the function f of t is equal to Laplace transform of 1 plus 2t and plus t square. Okay, so this equal to, I am applying linearity property inside the bracket. So this equal to Laplace transform of constant function 1 plus 2 is a constant, I am taking outside, 2 into Laplace transform of the function t plus Laplace transform of the function t square. Why this so? By linearity property. This equal to, we know the Laplace transform of 1 is 1 upon s plus 2. The Laplace transform of t is what? Here n is 1, so that is 1 factorial divided by s raised to n plus 1, s raised to n plus 1, that is 2, and plus Laplace transform of t square, here n is 2, so 2 factorial by s raised to 2 plus 1, that is s q. So which is the Laplace transform of the function f of t. So name this function as f of s. Say, now apply first shifting theorem inside this function. So by first shifting theorem, what is the first shifting theorem? Laplace transform of e raised to 2t into f of t equal to Laplace transform of e raised to 2t 1 plus t the whole square, and this equal to f of s minus 2. Why this so? Because here exponential coefficient is positive. So this equal to, I am replacing s by s minus 2. So this equal to 1 upon s minus 2 plus 2 into 1 upon s minus 2 the whole square plus 2 by s minus 2 the whole cube. So which is required Laplace transform of the given function e raised to 2t into 1 plus t the whole square by using first shifting theorem. Thank you.